Hello, today I'm going to talk about this book that is called Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Hot Mess by Jeff Kinney. This book is about Greg Heffley, and this book is about Greg's life and what he does, but this time the entire family is going on a trip to Neck Island. An interesting place, but many not so funny incidents happen. Like it's really bad incidents that happen to Greg and his family, but their grandma, the person who rules over the entire family, she has a special meatball recipe that no one knows, but every one of them wants to know the recipe because they are so good. But when they are at this island, what happens? They go to a special restaurant that their grandma said, never go to that restaurant, it's so bad. But they went there because they had no other choice. When they tried the meatballs there, the meatballs, they tasted exactly like grandma's. They thought that the company had stolen grandma's recipe, but it wasn't that. When they come home, Greg finds one carton and you just warm the meatballs up and it's perfect like that. So grandma all along, she just purchased from that restaurant. And that was why Greg's grandma said never go to that restaurant, because she didn't want anyone to find out her secret. This book is so good, so interesting. I love it. I love this book and this series so much. This is one of my favorite English series. But bye bye.